here's another fidget toy which is sold as part of a bundle from the works. This one is very basic. We have sort of a webbed container here and a marble inside, as you can see. Now the idea is to use your fingers or your hands to just push it from one end to the other, whatever your preference is. It's a very basic one and doesn't really lend itself visually to video, but this is very much like others that are fidget toys about the feel of doing it, and I can see that that would be very satisfying. And in addition to doing this, you could also run your fingers along there. That's nice texture, as you can see, slightly bumpy, and yeah, this I think is a really simple but cool little fidget gadget. Would you use one of these or find this satisfying? Let me know your thoughts.